Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be heading to Status Garage to install yet another new parts from Map Performance. But I'm a little pissed off about Map Performance because one of my parts did come, but my other one did not come. You guys remember I said I ordered an APR carbon fiber upper intercooler tray. Pretty much it just sits up here like this. So they sent me a message saying it was delayed and it'll be shipped out on the 2nd of April. I still have no word as of today. And I messaged them 3 times through email. I might have to call them today, but I don't know where my APR tray is at. But anyways, I do have the fuel rail and we're gonna get that installed today at Status Garage. So get yourself a cold start. Alright peeps, so there was another issue with the Evo. I'll show you guys in a little bit right here. Alright, so my idling is getting higher and higher. So what I meant is sometimes it starts between 500 to 1,000, just needle jump up and down, which that's pretty much normal for my car. But sometimes it jumps all the way up to 2 and then it settles all the way down to 5, and then it feels like it's about to stall out. And then I think a couple days ago I was at a light, it was doing that, and I was like, okay, whatever, you know, I gotta take it to Kiet and make sure, you know, it's okay. And then it stalled out on me. So yeah, I was like, okay, well, what's going on? I looked up the forums and, you know, called Kiet and everything. So I double checked all my vacuum line. It looks pretty much fine to me. Maybe there's other vacuum line I don't know about. So the main purpose of today is definitely get that checked out. Check all the lines, make sure there's no leak anywhere, and as well as installing that fuel rail. Yeah, so hopefully it's not that big of an issue. It's just, you know, one thing after another. Just trying to enjoy this car without so much issues, you know, like you know, we had the spark plug issue at Moore's, the exhaust was just popping a lot. Now the car stalls out. You know, it's just, I just want to get it fixed. You know, I just want to enjoy the Evo without no issue. We want another Evo on the road instead of Evo, you know, in the shop, because there's a lot of Evos in the shop. We want them more on the road. So I still got these merch, guys, merch and the air freshener. I'm sending 1 more set out today, and also I have 2 more sets of the air freshener and about 7 more shirts. So if you guys want it, hit me up on the comment below and hit me up on Instagram so I can get your information and send it out to you. But yeah, let's head over to Kiet right now. All right, so I made it to Kiet, peeps. I just want to show you guys the idle a little bit. It was doing it early at the light, so we'll see if it's, see that, you see how it is right now? It just flicker like this a lot and it feels like it's about to stall. Yep, you hear that? So it's about to stall. So I don't know what's the issue there. So it goes up high a little bit and then start flickering and then stall out. Well, it's not stalling right now, but it stalled before. So hopefully we get that taken care of today. Yeah, it's not good. Oh, see that? You guys see that? So it almost stalled out. Literally, it barely made it. It was like, let's get that checked out. Car's about to stall out.
I know, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. What up, what up?
What up?
What's up, Kiet?
What's going on, man?
So my car's want to stall out.
You got it actually?
I think so. I might. I don't know. Damn, I like the stash. Is that ready for the trip?
No, I'm gonna shave it off.
Oh, I was like, yo, look at that stash.
I don't look good with a fucking stash.
I'm gonna lie. Like one of those, was it, you ever watch Kung Fu Hustle?
Oh, I thought you were gonna say I watch porn.
Nah. Yeah, man.
You're going from 14 to fucking 8.
And then they just almost stall out. See? You hear it? You hear it? So I stalled out at the light. Oh, I mean, it just shut off at the lights. Well, not here, but like a couple days ago.
You right now?
Yeah. Smell that E though, right? Oh, there it is. It shut off.
It's taking in air from somewhere. Definitely.
It's not a good thing. You know what I'm saying?
It's taking in too much. It's taking in too much unmetered air.
Look at that GTR. Whose GTR is that? Is that your cousin?
Yeah.
Nice. We'll check that out in a minute.
Alright, so vacuum line, that goes right there. This hasn't been moving, so it would have to come from here. That's on tight. That's on tight.
Well, Kiet's doing that because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So we'll check out the GTR. So this is Kiet's cousin. I think he has also two C8s as well as this GTR. This guy's balling out of control. By the way, I think this hatch is for sale. Anybody looking for one? I think. Not sure. Oh, this is been through some tough times. Look at that. Need a new lip, my friend. Oh, you need a lot of stuff going on here. You can clean the car. Maybe a wrap it.
Yeah.
Woo. Woo. She's still beautiful though. Still beautiful. Ooh. Car's hella dirty. Yeah, man, just hopefully we get this leak somewhere, because shut off on me. Really don't want to keep doing that, and I really don't want to drive the car, you know, with a leak somewhere, you know. Hopefully we get it fixed.
Fucking get a tan before I go on vacation, bro.
You're gonna get a tan regardless now. You're gonna be in a Hawaii.
I'm gonna look like I'm a fucking be on the rice paddies.
You got that rice patty hat?
I actually do. I actually do. It was off of a fucking costume.
Got the new from here. Got all kinds of crap back here. There it is. New fuel rail. Let me open this up. We'll do an unboxing. Damn, all these Chick-fil-A sauce still here?
You should check the fucking microwave.
Right. AMS Fuel Rail. Got the black one, guys, because I want too much red on the Evo. So here it is. The new fuel rail definitely looks a lot better than the stock one. Alright, guess we'll go to Harbor Freight, test drive, and figure out what's wrong with the Evo. Alright peeps, so we start checking all the vacuum lines, and not sure what the issue is. It's actually stopped doing that idling and it stopped shutting off, so not sure what happened. I'm gonna keep monitoring it, but right now we're gonna get the fuel rail in. We also oil change and the bottom board thingy. But yeah. New fuel rail. Ooh, CJ. Look it up, CJ.
I got you.
Kiet's installing my under tray for me. Where you at, Kiet? What you doing, man? Doing good down there.
I try.
This is the first time
So
I actually know where my injectors are.
This is your intake manifold.
Uh-huh.
The injectors go into the intake
See the
manifold.
same manifold?
Your intake manifold is where the mixture is.
Okay. What you putting in right now?
So I'm greasing up the O-rings because when you take it off, it's gonna have too much friction And when you try to put the new rail on, it's gonna crush or it's gonna bend or it's gonna pinch the O-ring. So you have to grease the O-ring up so that'll slide right in. Put a little bit more.
All right, peeps. Oil change got done. Got the rail in, looking good. CJ's just cleaning up the mess.
Good. We're gonna trim
we do have
those
to
off.
tuck all this eventually, but
trim those and then tuck your whole harness underneath the manifold next time.
Yeah. Not bad. I do need to get the car clean. So all these birds decided to just start attacking the car. Just shitting everywhere. Shit. You know, do gotta get the vehicle cleaned up. I'm glad the fuel rail's in. Still waiting on a whole lot of new parts for the Evo. Kiet's up there actually making me some stickers, so I'll show you guys in a little bit. Yeah, let's get this all squared away, cleaned up, and pull it out, and then continue this vlog. Look at that. Shit. Just attacked me. All right, peeps. So check this out. Kiet just hopped me up some new stickers. Well, decals. We'll put it right here. So yeah. So I'm gonna have a couple of this to give away. If you guys head to the Evo meet, if you want it, let me know. Oof. All right, peeps. Just got back. I haven't got the vehicle clean yet. So beautiful. If you guys want any, let me know. I only got it in white though, so specially made red to go with the, you know, flow of the car. Got the caliper, tail light. You know, looks pretty good. It actually looks better than the white one we put on originally. But haven't got time to clean the car yet. Still got a bunch of stuff to do with the car. Update on the intercooler tray. It's not supposed to be here to June now, so I canceled the order. So now I'm just gonna look for Facebook Market and try to find out if I could get one sooner. But yeah, that's it, Pete, for the vlog. I still have issue with the, I don't know, car shutting off. It's fine if I don't turn the AC on. If I turn the AC on, it's drawing a lot of power from somewhere and shutting the car off. So we might have to rewire some of the gauges. I mean, I don't know, some of the gauges, some of the, you know, maybe the camera. I'm not sure what's going on, but didn't have time to check on it today. Definitely gonna have to check on it next time. But yeah, more problems with the Evo, right? Anyways, it's still drivable, everything's good, and that's it for the vlog. I'll see you next time. Peace.